Are you moving to the Dallas, Fort Worth, or suburb cities surrounding and maybe want to learn more about the area? Or maybe you want some of the best tips for selling a home to get the most money? We all want that. If so, you are in the right spot. Well, my name is Dana Pollard, and I've lived in the Dallas-Fort Worth area since I was 4 years old. And so I consider myself a Texan. I've been helping families buy and sell homes for more than 10 years as a realtor. I've been in new home sales, and so I understand the build process. So if you want to learn more about new homes, buying or selling a home, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, if you want to know a little bit about me, I've been married to my most amazing husband for 21 years now. I have 3 teenagers. Hey, they're fantastic. And we do homeschool them. And we have a golden doodle dog because we love golden doodles because they don't shed. Also, about 5 years ago, my husband and I started a church called Grace for Eternity Church that he pastors, and I lead worship. And in fact, if you go back far enough on this YouTube channel, you can find some of my old videos on some of the songs I wrote from my album in 2012. Yeah. So go back and see those videos if you want the Christian worship. And I consider myself a foodie. I love to find fantastic hole-in-the-wall places to eat, especially if they're street tacos. So whenever you're ready to buy a home or sell a home in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, all you gotta do is email me. And if you want more information, subscribe to the YouTube channel for the latest highlights. Every week I'm uploading a video. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing to my YouTube channel.